Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We appreciate you for taking the time off your busy schedules to join us today. We hope you will find this session we have lined up for you to be fruitful and engaging. So our presenter today is Mr. Muhib Abdulwasiu. He is a senior accountant and a CashTelex investor. Mr. Muhib is an expert in trading on the CashTelex exchange. I am very honored to be hosting him today, and I'm very excited for what he will share with us today. Mr. Muhib, I pass the mic to you.
Thank you so much, Salma. Good evening, and thank you, Salma, for the warm introduction. Today, we are going to be learning or be training you on how to log in into your CashTelex exchange through your laptop, because I'm using a laptop here. I don't have an Android phone. I use an iPhone, and I know we're all aware that we don't have an iPhone support app for now. So we have a wallet on the Android phone. So that's the reason why I'm going to be using my laptop. So I'll be the training objective for today will be how you can use your Bitcoin to transact and buy CTLX on the CTLX exchange. And the reason is we only pair BTC and CTLX for now, but in the near future we have so many other coins that we're going to be pairing with CTLX so that we can trade with the other coins. And I want to do something today. I was able to buy a little Bitcoin today so that I can show the house on how we can use the CTLX, the BTC deposit in our CTLX exchange to transact and buy CTLX. We're going to be showing our co-investors on how to do that, and on how you can transfer some of your funds. Either you want to deposit or withdraw your CTLX or your Bitcoin. So if time permits, I will do that too. I'll be training us on that too, if time permits. So not to waste any more time, if you look at the custom, you see that I've already typed cashtelex.com, so which brought me to the CashTelex website. So the next thing you do is to sign in. I hope you can see my cursor. So I'll click on sign in. So so immediately clicked on sign in, it takes me to the next web page on the exchange, which is showing you log into your account. You will see some box named sign in email, sign in password, and captcha and all that. So my sign in email is the email everybody registered with. And this is the email I registered with to get my CashTelex exchange account. Then the password, I've already programmed my system to remember my password. That's why my password is readily available here. Then the next thing is the CAPTCHA. So which you will see some wordings under the box, which I'm going to type it. 0TBRO. So when you're typing this, you need to be, because it's cap sensitive. So if you notice, this is capital letters. So you need to ensure that you're typing it correctly, so that you won't be seeing capital letter and you typing it small letter and all that. So the next thing is I'm going to click on sign in. So after clicking on sign in, it takes me to another page, which is telling me to input my Google Authenticator. And as you all know that when we open our CashTelex accounts, we are told to get a Google Authenticator for you to use it to have like a password that make your CashTelex account safe. So now I'm going to click on that Google Authenticator app on my phone to generate the password. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So, okay. So I have 794951. So you click on verify. So you must ensure that you type it correctly so that it won't take you back for you to redo and all that. So it's correct. So now we are in our CashTelex exchange. So most people, when they come into the exchange, you see a lot of wordings, you see a lot of, so you'll be confused, like, what are all these things? Too much alphabet, too much figures, everything is just too much. So, but when you come into the exchange, you need to know what you want to do in the exchange. That's the first thing that you need to learn, so that you know where you are going to directly into the exchange. So looking at the learning objective for today, which I said previously that will be trading on how to use your BTC to buy or sell CashTelex. You can use your BTC to say you want to buy more of cash so that you can add to your account, or you can use your BTC to deposit into your BTC account in the exchange. So now, this region, this red, I hope you all can see my cursor. So this red region is showing that these are people that want to sell. Red is always danger. So this is indicating that, okay, people that are trading on the exchange, they've placed an order that they want to sell. Then when you go down at the same region, you will see people that place an order that they want to buy. So this gray region signifies buying transaction, by traders on the exchange. So when you go down, these two boxes, the green box here and the red box, what will I even say? Automatically or in a program way, are those things that are translated to this red region here and the green region. So for every cell, you will come to this region to do the programming. Like you come and program, okay, put your price and all that. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, which I said this is the green for buy, you see buy, this is sell. So you come here to come and input like your programming to say, okay, I want to buy. So let me just explain some things here. So you see price BTC, you see amount CTLX, you see total BTC. Don't get confused. Price BTC is telling you this person that actually plays a trade. Let's use the last this thing here. Okay, this price that you are seeing here is the price we have in our exchange. Sorry, I didn't mention that. When you come to the exchange, you will see a range of price, the highest and the lowest, at which the exchange is pairing, like for every exchange, even though in Binance, where they have different coins, BNB, Dodge, so many coins. So you will see the high and the low if you go to that particular page of the coins that you want to pair with. So now, as I told you earlier, that for now, we are only pairing CTLX and Bitcoin. So on our exchange, the price at which we are selling CTLX is 0.0000250. And when you convert it to dollars, you have $0.075. So that is the price of one CTLX in Bitcoin. And when you convert it to dollars, you have it in $0.075. So our high price on the exchange is 0.000025, and the low price on the exchange is 0.00250. So just stress yourself on this. Don't go beyond that for now. So let me go back to this. Price BTC, amount CTLX, total BTC. So now, people are placing order that they want to sell. And as much as we are selling to on the exchange, which is this, 1 unit of this thing is being sold at 0.00250 of Bitcoin. So if you have, look at this total BTC. Let's say now I have this total BTC in my account. I'll just come here and see the watts, the total number of CTLX that this total amount of BTC will give me at the rate of this 0.0000250. So if I'm to say, okay, I want to buy what this person placed there, considering the fact that I have 2.45 CTLX in my account, automatically I'll be getting 98,000 or 982,558 CTLX. It will just automatically take it to my account in my deposits. So once I go to my CTLX account, I'll see the total number of CTLX there. That is, in brief, what this price BTC, amount CTLX, and total BTC signifies. Then when you go up, you see somebody is placing a trade that you want to sell is this thing. What's it called? You want to sell is CTLX at this rate. Then if I have ton of this, I'm gonna be getting this, because if I have BTC, I'll just say, okay, I have a number of BTC, then maybe I have 0.00, then place the order, then I'll buy. I'll just come here, buy. I will not place a trade. But if I don't want to buy from all these people that want to sell, maybe I don't like their price, maybe their price is too high or too low for me, I'll come down. To this section and place my trade, saying I want to buy. Thank God I purchased some BTC this evening just for me to use it to demonstrate. Yeah, because it's good people see what you're doing in real time and not assuming. So I had to go through the stress of buying some BTC this evening so that I can show the house on how you can buy some BTC with your how you can buy some CTLX with your BTC. So now I have this total number of Bitcoin in my exchange, 0.0013 Bitcoin. So now, if I want to place a trade, now I've seen the market. I've seen that one CTLX is being sold at 0.000250. I want to buy small from what I have at this rate. So what I will do now is go to this your CTLX. I'm going to erase it. So it's showing me that I have this total number of Bitcoin. So I want to take from this Bitcoin and impute it here, the total BTC. So when I impute the amount of BTC I want to use to buy CTLX, it will show me the remaining the remaining balance. So let me say 0 0.00, okay, let me use half, 0.00, one more zero, then 7. So look at what I have here. So it's telling me if I'm buying at this rate that we have in the exchange, this is the rate we have in the exchange. If I'm buying at this rate that I'm showing you, and I'm buying with this total number of BTC, 0.007, automatically I'm going to get 280 CTLX. It's still cheap now, just imagine I'm buying it at this cheap rate and it's translating to 280. Imagine in future when we have one CTLX at what we're having Bitcoin now, like maybe $16,000, multiply it by 280. That's huge. That is very, very, considering the fact even in Nigeria that our naira is dropping every day. Like today now we have $1 to 1,200 naira, so the naira is losing value and the dollar is gaining serious value. So just imagine you have this and the exchange is working perfectly, which I know very soon, by God's grace, everything will be perfect and we'll all be smiling to the bank. So let's encourage ourselves to buy it when it's very cheap, so that let's take advantage. And I know we'll all be smiling at the end of the day. So let me go back to what we were saying. So at these rates, where we have it on the exchange, and I'm buying a total number of 0.007, so automatically I'm going to get 280 CTLX. So I'm going to buy because I want you to see how it's going to go into my account. Let me go into my account so that to show you how many this I have. I have 201,084 CTLX. So imagine when I'm buying 280 again, it will just automatically increase the total number of CTLX I have. So buy. There is a pop sound that indicated that, okay, a trade has been placed. So let me go to if you notice, my total number of this have changed. So it has been added. So I'm having 201 and 368, before I was having 201 and some fraction. So the one I just bought now is added and all that. So this is how you you buy at the spot. What I did now was I bought at the rate at which CTLX is selling against the BTC, the one we have on the exchange. Then the other one is, let me place another trade for maybe less than what we have and see whether in future somebody can buy it, like the way other people place their trade. So let me say, I want to put the remaining number of CTLX Bitcoin that I have. I have 0.0062905, 62905. So now I'm not going to buy it at the same rates which we have on the exchange. I want to change the I want to go to a lower price. So 0.000. How many zero do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 zeros. 2. So we have it at 250. I'm gonna say at 100. Yeah. So at 100 is gonna give me 251 and some fraction. So I'm gonna place a trade, and automatically you will see it in this region where it's supposed to automatically go to. So buy. a pop sound just indicated I've placed. So you see that automatically my trade has been enlisted on the exchange. It's simple. It's just for you to keep calm and understand the flow. So this is how you place an order for you to buy and for you to sell. So okay, we've used much of our time. So I'm gonna be stopping here today. So hopefully, inshallah, the next training I will be going beyond this. Maybe we'll go to how we can deposit and withdraw BTC and withdraw your CTLX. Deposit CTLX and withdraw CTLX. Deposit BTC and withdraw BTC, because at the end of it all, the most important thing why we're all here, or why we're trying to ensure that okay, we are a real CashTelex investor, is for us to make some things out of so it translates to maybe you withdraw, or you deposit and all that. So we're going to be doing that in the next training. And if there's any observation, any question, so I will hand over to Salma. Salma.
Thank you for the powerful training, Mr. Mahim. It was a great learning experience. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our session. Thank you all for attending. Until we meet again, have a good night.
Okay, thank you, Salman, for the coordination. Thank you so much.